So guys, Onyx here. So as you guys may know, the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales were amazing. Today I got 2 of the packages in from my orders. Now I'm just waiting on package from Joycoat. Joycoat had buy one get one free, so that was a pretty major deal. But alright, let's get into it. First up, got another set of wheels from Clairvoyant. Shout out to them. I'm telling you, these recycled wheels, you guys have to try them. They're in a category of their own. Nothing comes close. Like, regular urethane is nowhere near the feel of these recycled wheels. Standard, we got our sticker sheet. We got our wheels. This go around, I decided to grab the Bones X formula in a softer diameter as well, and a bigger size. Instead of small, I went medium this time, so 7.5 millimeters, and the diameter, instead of 101A, went 97A. Just wanted to see how the softer diameter feels. Here they are. Standard comes with a piece of the actual wheel and good red earrings. The 7.5 millimeter seems like a pretty good size. First set I ordered was the 7.0 size small. These are 101A diameter. Amazing wheels. Shout out to Decatur Decks. So yeah, it's package number 1. This next package, been waiting a while for it. From Dynamic. Let's get into it. Check these stickers out first. Ooh. Okay, we got just the big 2 massive dynamic stickers in blue. Like it. Definitely was expecting more stickers, but can't complain. Pretty cool stickers here. I've never seen these before either. And what we have here, the reveal. Ooh. We got the greetings complete. 26 millimeters. First 26 millimeter. And it's a dynamic complete. Really hyped on this. Let's definitely unbox this. Get this out the box. See what's going on. Okay, we got a tool here. Put everything to the side. Oof. Look at that. Got the 94D dynamic wheels. We got 26 millimeter dynamic trucks. Already gripped. I do like my screws to show, but I'll rock with this for now. Dynamic grip. The grip feels really good. Dynamic grip, really grippy. Feels amazing. No break-in needed. 26 mil, my first 26 mil. Crazy. Definitely need to lower it. Definitely need to loosen these trucks. See if these wheels scooped out. Break them in a bit. Super hyped on this though. 26 mil. Here's a 29 mil. Super tiny guy. Can't wait to mess around with it. Get a little sessions in. Get the trucks tuned right. Maybe I'll swap the wheels to the clairvoyant wheels. We'll see. Yeah, so these are two of my Black Friday, Cyber Monday pickups. Got more on the way. Stay tuned. Peace. Alright guys, so did some testing on the Dynamic Complete, and here's my conclusion. So basically, the stock tuning on the dynamic trucks are not great at all. They're very, very stiff. They're not really responsive at all. When you like push the truck down to one side, it just stays stuck. Like it doesn't bounce back to the center, you know, which is what you want in your truck's tuning. So what I had to do is I had to swap over to the Teak Tuning 61A bubble bushings, and I also had to use my pivot cup material that I showed you guys in a previous video. And with the combination of the two, I got the trucks to be a lot more responsive. As you can see, good responsiveness. Not just staying down, stuck to one side. It bounces back to center every time. Nope, nice and loose and responsive. Just a little information on, you know, what you're getting when you get these dynamic trucks. You know, people don't really speak about it too much. So I'm just letting you guys know what to expect with dynamic trucks. Be prepared to put in your own tuning. You can try my tuning. You see it works really well. Got the pivot cup material for the pivot cups and the Teak 61A bushings. So yeah, that's all. Other than that, really, really good setup. I'm still thinking about swapping the wheels though, but I might give these wheels a little time to break in some more. See how I like them.